it's Karen, and tonight we're going to make Instant Pot chicken, black bean, and quinoa bowls. So I've already turned my pot onto saute mode and it's already hot. So what we're going to do first is add a little bit of oil, and we're going to saute the vegetables that go with our recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add those. I have prepared them in my Cuisinart, but if you want to dice them, that's fine. I have 2 onions. They're about medium size. I have 2 medium-sized bell peppers. And I have 2 small jalapeños. So I'm going to let those saute for a couple of minutes to soften, and I'll be right back. Okay, once your vegetables have softened, you're going to go ahead and turn your pot off, and we're going to begin adding all of our other ingredients. So right here I have 4 cloves of garlic that I've minced. You can go ahead and add those, and I would just stir those up. The rest of these ingredients you don't have to stir in. I'm going to save the chicken for last. I have 4 cups of chicken broth. Pour it in slowly since our pot is hot right now. I have my quinoa, which it's 2 cups that I have rinsed and drained. And as you can see, I did it through a cheesecloth. So go ahead and dump that in, and then you can kind of shake your cheesecloth into your pot. So you may have a little that you can't get out. I have 2 cans of black beans, and I use organic ones so that it doesn't have anything added to it, and I drained and rinsed those. I have 16 ounces of mild salsa. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. And this is a half, so sorry, my salt is not coming out well. Let's try that again. Now too much. There we go. All right. A teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And 2 tablespoons of cumin. That's 1. 2. And then I have 4 chicken breasts. You don't need to cut them up. We're going to shred them after they cook. Just put them on top. All right. Since I use that hand, I'm going to close and seal with this hand. And then I am going to set it to, let's turn it, manual, high pressure for 10 minutes. When it's finished, you're going to let it do a natural release for about 10 minutes. Then you can quick release what's left and shred your chicken. While it's doing this, I'm going to prepare the side ingredients that I'm going to serve this with, and that is some shredded lettuce, some tomatoes, and I'm also going to use guacamole and sour cream. So when it's finished, I will take a picture, and if you enjoyed this video, please like my channel.